What it do, y'all? This your boy Box City 360. Bring y'all another one. I'm gonna show y'all a little something real quick. You got a Box Chevy and your back turn signal don't work. You got this on the deck. See, the right side work. Go back here. Look at my light. I only got that one on. That one ain't on. I'm gonna show y'all how to change the turn signal bulb. Hopefully this is the right one. I found it in the garage. That's something I had. First thing y'all wanna do, y'all, pop the trunk. Depending on which side it's on, right or left. Right side, you'd remove those 3 screws. Left side, you need to remove these 3 screws. We'll do that right quick. Since mine's on the left, I'll remove these 3 screws. So yeah, I got these 3 screws out. You know, they're long guys, so you can pull all 3 of them out. I'll pull the screws out, grab it here. That's how I do it. I mean, you're gonna pull up because it's 2 prongs, 2 things that go down into that little bumper filler. And now we got it out. We're gonna go, let me see, don't got it out all the way. Look up in there, see what's holding it tight. Might not be nothing, you might just want to reach in there. You know what I mean? If you can, pop it loose like that. Pull the tail line out, y'all. With that bulb, you can tell that my bag. You want to push in just a little bit. It's a 2-hand job. Push in a little bit and twist it to the left. I already twisted it to the left, I believe. So yeah, I mean, that mug got all that. That's probably original. Take your new one, slide it in there. These little prongs right here. Go on the left and the right in there, like so. I'm gonna use 2 hands. Well, it don't spin when it go in there. You just pull it out and push it in. Put that mug back where it go, here. Put your tail light assembly back in. All back in the housing, y'all. So got the everything good. So we just wiggle this around. Make sure you get it in the right spot. See, use 2 hands right quick. I'm gonna sit in, y'all. So see, the screws is really almost already lined up. You just push it in. Throw your screws in, and you tighten it on down. As you can see, I got working turn signal. It was my bulb, but it was also my flasher, y'all. I pulled one off the other car. I pulled 2. This is the one I pulled off of this one. And that's where it go right there. Bam. So, I'm gonna tighten these up real quick, and on the plug for the bulb, you do need to push in. You push in, it has little notches for you to turn it to where it locks the bulb in place. I thought that one was just sticking. I thought it was just how it was, but I looked at it, you know what I mean, and you gotta push it in and twist it a little bit. Be careful though. The reason I wasn't pushing so hard, I guess, because I didn't want the glass to break in my hand. Tighten these on down. Don't go crazy, because it'll grab up quick. See? Oh. That's what we got, y'all. Working turn signal. Remember, like, comment, subscribe if you want to. It's your boy Box City 360 on all platforms. Getting up out of here.